What is Master Resell Rights and why the internet is going literally crazy about this new business model? If you're watching this video, you're probably interested to learn more about Master Resell Rights and why people are making so much money with that. In this video, I'm gonna break down for you everything about this new opportunity and put you inside this program so you can see what they are offering and why people are making so much money with that. So if this is something you are interested, please make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna bring even more content about these things, so you don't want to miss it. So without further ado, let's go to the video. So Master Resell Rights, it's a digital course that's going to teach you step by step how to set up an online business. So it's gonna take you all the way through the steps to set up a sales funnel, email marketing, everything that you need to know in order to have an online business. So why the internet is going literally crazy about this? It's because with the Master Resell Rights, you buy the right to resell the program. So if you don't have a digital product to sell it, the course itself becomes yours. So you can brand it and resell it however you want. And this is literally genius because many people want to start an online business, but they don't have a product. So the program solves this problem because the product, the course itself becomes yours. So, and people make 100% profit with that. So not only you're gonna learn about sales funnel, email marketing, blogging, CEO, and all these things involving digital marketing, but you also will own the course, so you can sell it with 100% profit. Now, I want to show you a pretty quickly video inside the course, inside the program, so you can see what is inside there and how much value they have with this course. So here is the course, the community, the Learn and Earn Profits Online, which comes with the Master Resell Rights. So when you purchase this course, you get access to this community with over 8,000 people. So people are actually 10,000, right now over 10,000 people. So people help each other. You can ask whatever you want, and there is a lot of rooms here, so you can, if you want to learn about traffic or funnels, email marketing, they have all these sections here that you can ask questions and get help from them. And right here is the classroom. It's where all the course, they host the course. So the first one, it starts right here. It's just show a little bit how you can use the school, which is the platform where the course it is, how to explain Master Resell Rights, all the basic information that you need to get started. It's on this first lesson right here. Then on the second lesson, it's all about the Master Resell Rights details, and so you can have like, they're gonna explain more how you can resell the program, how you can some basic informations about that. Then now we start the course, which is the Introduction to Digital Marketing, and right here it's just a basic information about digital marketing and all these things. So you can go to this lesson right there. Then the second one is starting to get like hands-on and all the step by step. And I've invested so much online courses, and by far this is one of the best for beginners that is literally going to teach you like step by step. You're gonna literally be able to watch the video, pause, and do yourself. Like, it's amazing for beginners. So right now they use a system that it's free. You can start with free, which is system.io. So they show all the step by step how you gonna build your sales, your funnel, everything inside system.io, which is amazing skills to have because it's in high demand. And you can just, if you learn how to build a sales, this is a skill that you can sell and you can also make money with that. So all the steps, like everything inside here, like it's a lot of steps. So you're gonna be able to build everything from scratch. How to optimize your sales process, payments, troubleshooting, and some advanced funnel training as well. Then they have a training also setting up a stand store, so you can use a stand store if you need to. They show how you can use that. And if you want to use ClickFunnels, they also have a training for that. So here you have 3 options of platforms that you can use to build your sales funnel, to build like your digital products and things. So like if you want to use ClickFunnels, all the steps is right here as well, which is amazing. It's so much value for so much information for the price that you pay. It's just amazing. You can't get better from that. So also they have an email marketing. So if you're new to email marketing, you need to get inside email marketing. That's amazing module. They're gonna show you everything, how you can set up your automation, your emails, letter, and all these things. So all the steps is right there. Then they have about content strategy, which is crazy, which is amazing. It's one of the main pillars when you doing digital marketing is the content. So they break down here all the short form video, 1-minute content tips, and content calendar, everything. It's amazing. Platforms to market on. So what's the platforms that you can use to market your products? So they have here Facebook, Craigslist, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, webinar to share, and all these things. So they have a training for each one of these platforms, and then they come here, branding expansion. So you can have here everything about branding, which is amazing. Branding is something very big, very important when you're starting on digital marketing, because it's how you're gonna share your values, your style, talk with your target audience. So this is very important as well. They have a branding of that. They have a training on that. So then it comes with affiliate marketing. They also teach you about that. Then they have also training with ChatGPT, which is absolutely amazing, because ChatGPT it came to change the game for so many people. You can literally use to write your content, to write your email marketing. So they show you exactly how you can use ChatGPT to your digital marketing business. Then they have a lesson about Google productivity hacks, passion building, then some business tools that you can use on your business, ultimate content vault, ebooks for entrepreneurs, which is amazing. I had some books that literally changed my life. So books is definitely something that helped with your mindset. Some recorded training, because they have a weekly training. So all the trainings the past trainings that they have is gonna be recorded, and you can find right there. And here they have a training creating your own course, because if you don't want to resell the course, they also teach you how you can create your own. So it's super complete, this course. Like you can learn so much with this training. Also downloaded classroom files you're gonna find right here. So that's pretty much all inside this course. It's so much things that you can learn with this course, which is amazing. As you can see, it's in a lot of value, a lot of information inside this course, and you can literally do everything step by step, how to be successful with digital marketing. So if you wanna jump in this new hot opportunity, I'm gonna give you as a bonus my high converting funnels. So you can only one click, you can import my funnel, which is the part that takes more time to set up. So when you buy with my links, you're gonna get my high converting funnels, so you can have your system up and running as soon as possible. I will also give you as a bonus my ebook, 100 hooks that converts, and also my ebook, the ultimatum reels, which will come also with master resell rights. So if you want to resell this ebook, you're gonna get 100% profit as well. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, drop down below. I'm happy to help you out, and I'm gonna leave the link below so you can check it out, the course, and see if this is something you want to jump in. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.